So today we are going to discuss about the rational numbers. So what is the rational numbers? So in this chapter, rational number. Okay. So in this rational numbers, very easy to learn. First of all, what is meant by rational number? A rational number is a real number that can be written as a simple fraction. Like a simple fractions, we can write it like a 3 by 2. For example, 3 by 2 is a real number. Okay. So 3 by 2 or 1 by 3 or 7 by 4. These are all we have this kind of the rational numbers. Okay. So if you go for the rational numbers, are different type of examples are there. So mainly we are writing like a p by q form. So p by q formation means p by q means what is a p by q? So the q is not equals to 0. For example, if you write the 2 number, the 2 is a simple real number, but it should be, if nothing will present means down 1 is there. So definitely it should be possible to write like this. Okay now. So if you take any number, so special characteristics of a rational numbers also there. So every rational number is expressible either as a terminating decimal or repeating decimal. So terminating decimal or repeating decimals we can write it. Okay. And for example, every terminating or repeating decimal is a rational number. For example, 2 by 3 is there. So it is a, what is that? Rational number only. So 4 by 2 is there. 4 by 2 is also one of the rational number because it is a 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is also 2 is also one of the rational numbers. So p by q form any number you can consider that is a rational number, right? And if you will consider that if a and b are the two rational numbers, for example, if I want to take as a and b, okay, so a and b I am taking as a rational numbers. Two are rational numbers are there. Now if between the rational numbers, if I consider any other rational numbers, if I want to write another rational number, then what is the formula? First of all, you can take as a plus b by 2. So this formula is useful to find the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, if you find any number between the two rational numbers, this formula is very important to finding the rational number between the any two rational numbers. So we have properties also there. So what kind of the properties are there? I am going to just explain to you. So listen. So properties. So what is the properties means? We have the different type of properties are there. First of all, closure property. Closure property. Closure property. In this closure property, addition is there. Addition and multiplication type of properties are there. Okay. So addition and multiplication, these two kind of properties of the closure property will consider. So we already know that a, b, c is a 3 are rational numbers. Then what is the closure property of this one? A plus b is equals to c. For example, I may write the a plus b is equals to c. This is a plus b is equals to c is a additional property, right? And in that closure property, in the multiplication type, a into b is equals to, okay, a into b is not equals to c. Okay, so a into b is not equals to c. This is a closure property what we have. And next one is a commutative property. So commutative property. Commutative property, so same as is above the commutative property. In addition, commutative property is a plus b is equals to b plus a. Is it definitely it is a correct? A plus B is equals to B plus A, right? So it's correct. Now, so if I want to write the A into B is equals to, okay, A into B is equals to B into A. So this is one of the formula, right? So this is a commutative property. Now we'll go for the another property. So associative property. Next property is a associative property. Associative property. So associative property will explain that A plus B is equals to A plus B plus C is equals to A plus of B plus C. A plus of B plus C. So now this is a addition type of property. Next one, multiplication. So A into B into C is equals to A into B. So bracket A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay, this is the associative property. So it is a more important formulas. These are all. Depending on these formulas only, we'll get the more problems in your exercise 1. And next one is a distributive property. Next one is a distributive property. Distributive property. So distributive property means A into of B plus C. Okay, only one formula is there, is addition and multiplication. So A into B, A into A of B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Okay, so A into B plus A into C. So next one is the additive identity. Next one is additive identity. Additive identity. Now additive identity means A plus of 0, A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A only. Okay, so next one is a multiplicative identity. Next one is a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means A into 1 is equals to 1 into A is equals to A only, right? Now next one is the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse means A of A plus of minus A is equals to 0. So next one is a multiplicative inverse, right? Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, A into 1 by A is equals to 1. Okay, so these are the important formulas which we will use in our exercise 1. Okay now, so next I'll go for the exercise 1. Right, exercise 1. Now exercise 1. So 1.1. The first question is name of the property involved in the following example. So first question they given as a which property is involving in this following problems. First you can write the question. 8 by 5 plus 0 is equals to 8 by 5 is equals to 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay, so which one is using the example of additive property? Is it right or not? A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to what we written? That is a only. That is additive property. What is that? Additive property. Additive property. So this answer is additive property. Is the second one. Now we'll go for the second one. So next one is a 2 of 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So equals to 2 of 3 by 5 plus 2 of 1 by 2. So how it will be? A of b plus c is equals to a into b plus c is equals to, so what is that? A into b plus a into c. So look like this or not? So definitely. What is a property? Is a distributive property. This property name is a distributive property. Is it right? Distributive property. Okay, so now go for the third question. Now third question is 3 by 7 into 1. 3 by 7 into 1 is equals to 3 by 7 is equals to 1 into 3 by 7. What is that? How it look like? So a into 1, you know, a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a. Is it right? So now that is a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, right? So this is a multiplicative identity. Next one, then next question is also there. Now we'll go for the next page. So next question, multiplicative identity. After one more question they given, minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equals to minus 2 by 5 is equals to 1 into minus 2 by 5. So how it looks like this? So a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a. Is it right? So how it is? That is a multiplicative identity. This is also what is that? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. So here this is a multiplicative identity again. Now comes to the next one. A into 1 completed. This is a multiplicative identity. Next question is this is a fourth question. So this is a fourth question. Now fifth question. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Right. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 plus, so 2 by 5. How it look like this? A plus B is equals to B plus A. So what is the formula for this? This is a, what is the formula? This is a commutative property under addition. Yes or no? Commutative property under addition. Okay, so that is very important. And addition, this is because multiplication is also there. Okay, under addition. So next one, fifth after sixth one. Now the sixth one is sixth one. What was sixth one? 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 is equals to how much? 15 by 14, right? So right now it is a, what kind of property is a into B is equals to C. Yes or no? A into B is equals to C. Now what is the answer? It is a closure property under multiplication. What is that? Closure property. So under multiplication this is. Okay now. This is a multiplication. And next seventh question. Seventh question. Next one, 7a plus of minus 7a is equals to 0. So what is that formula? A plus of minus a is equals to 0. Is it right? Now what is the property name? Additive inverse. Is a additive inverse. Okay, so this is a seventh question. Now we'll go for the eighth question. Now seventh and eighth question, right? Eighth question. In the eighth question, x into 1 by x is equals to 1. So what does it means? A into 1 by a is equals to 1 I written previously, right? So what is a multiplicative inverse? What is that formula? Multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse. Next one, ninth question. Ninth question is, so 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equals to 2 of x plus 6. So what is that? Distributive property. What is that? A plus b plus a plus c. You know, a of b plus c is equals to, what is that? What we discussed, a into b plus a into c we discussed. So same now I'm going to write. So name of this one, now I will write, okay, distributive property. distributive property. So next one, 10th one, right? 10th one is there now, only 9 is there. Now we'll go for the second question, second bit. Okay, so second question, write the additive and the multiplicative inverse of the following. They ask that this the second question is a additive and multiple inverse of this following questions. This is the second bit. First one now. Now minus 3 by 5 is there. Minus 3 by 5 means that additive inverse means what is that additive inverse? Additive inverse. I am writing short form. Additive inverse is equals to now 3 by 5 means that the minus is there means you can write plus. Now multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means what is that? 5 by 3. So this is a first one, right? And second question is 1. They given as a 1. So now additive inverse is equals to minus 1 and multiplicative inverse is equals to, it's a 1 only, right? Go for the third question. 0. Now additive inverse is there now? So no, not there. So undefined or not present. That's why multiplicative inverse is a infinity. Okay, infinity. Okay, so these are the 3 questions, and next we'll go for the fourth question. What they given fourth question now? 7 by 9 they given. 7 by 9 additive inverse. Additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse? Minus 7 by 9 is the additive inverse, right? And multiplicative inverse is equals to, it is a 9 by 7. Directly we can write. And next one, fifth one, they given as a what they given? Minus 1. Minus 1 they given. Additive inverse is a minus 1 now. This is a plus 1, right? So multiplicative inverse is a minus 1. That's it. Okay, and now we'll go for the next third question, third bit. A third question is there. So in a third question is the fill in the blanks are there. Now we will write the fill in the blanks, and very easy. Simple fill in the blanks are there now. So in the fill in the blanks we can fill that answers first. Okay, now we go for the fill in the blank side. Third question. So third question, first one. What is the first one? 1 by minus 1 by 17 plus of, okay, it's a dash they given, dash is equals to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. This is a question. So simply we can write the answer. First of all, I will write all questions, then after that I will write answers easily, right? So second question, minus 2 by 3 plus half dash is equals to minus 2 by 3. So third question. So third question, 1 into dash is equals to 9 by 11. So fourth question, minus 12 of plus of 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equals to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus of dash. Now fifth one, so dash into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equals to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into dash. Right, sixth one is minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equals to minus 16 by 7. So now we'll write the answers. You can easily with a red ink once you see. So what is that next one in this minus 12 by 5 is the answer, right? Next here this is a 0. This answer is 0 and this is a 9 by 11. And next one in this equation, which is missing, that 12 is there, 5 by 6 is there, and we miss, that is a 6 by 7. That's why 6 by 7 is the answer for that. And here in this, which one is missing? You can see that 3 by 4 is missing in that, right? 3 by 4. Okay, and here 1 by 3. And next one is a 0. So these are the answers for that. Clear now, all of you? So this is the answers, and now we'll go for the next page. So in that, multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Fourth question is, sorry, just 1 minute. Here the fourth question. So in that fourth question, once you see, multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So what does it mean? A reciprocal of, I'll write the short form, reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So is equals to minus 14 by 5, correct? Now you can write the 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5 is equals to, what is that? 14 twos are how much? Minus 28, and 11 fives are 55. Okay now. So this is the fourth question. We'll go for the fifth question. Now fifth question is 2 by 5. Which properties can be used in a computing? They ask question. 2 by 5 into 5 plus 5 into 7 by 6. So plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. So we can use this one in the following problem. The properties can be used. Which one is using in that? First one, answer this is now I'm writing. First one, A. Which one they use? A multiplicative identity. What is that? Multiplicative identity they used. Identity. multiplicative identity they used. And second one, next, associative property also they used. Associative property also used. And the third one, what we used, commutative property also they used. Commutative property also used. Commutative property is also using. So this is the fifth question. Now we go for the sixth question in the next page. Sixth question. Now we'll write the sixth one. Sixth question. Verify the following. We have to verify. First question they given as a 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 is equals to, not that, plus of minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 2. So you can verify this one, which is the answer, right? Now first of all we'll write that 5 by 4 right neatly. So 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2. Okay. So plus 3 by 2. Sorry, plus of minus 3 by 2. Okay, is equals to, we'll write it again. We are writing that 5 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 2 plus of, so plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. Okay, I'll go for this one also. We can write it directly. So 5 by 4 plus into minus is a minus, minus 1 by 2. So plus into minus is a minus. Okay, so let's redo that. We can keep this bracket and minus 3 by 2. So here is equals to 5 by 4 as it is plus of minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, so after completion of this one you can do cross. Okay, you can do cross and we'll do that. So this is a cross product. You can see that cross, and you know the cross. So 5 2s are 10. Is it right? So let's we discuss. Just wait 1 minute. So 5 2s are 10 minus 4. 4 1s are 4 by 4 2s are 8 minus 3 by 2 as it is. Then you will do that 5 by 4 plus of, see here this is also same cross, so we can use a cross and multiplication of this one. So minus 2 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 4 means 6. 6 by 8 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5 by 4. Right, so 7 6 minus 2, same, minus 8 by 4. Then again we'll do the cross. You take LCM or you can take anything. You just take LCM. So which one will come? If you take LCM means directly it will comes to the otherwise you can do this one. 6 2s are 3 2s are, will do the one thing. So 3 2 4s are 8. Yes, and 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2. You can do cross. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 by 4 2s are 8 is equals to 5 4s are 20 minus 32. 8 4s are 32 by 16. Now we'll do here. Okay, what is that? Minus, this is a 12 minus 6 means minus, here it will be minus 6 by 8 is equals to 20 minus 32. It takes as a minus 12 again. So here the minus 12 by 16. In which table it will go? That 2 4s are, 2 3s are. Okay, 4 4s are, 4 3s are. How much it will be? Minus 3 by 4 is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now it is a verification is completed or not? This verification is completed. Okay, so after completion of this one, we will go for the next one. Okay, and next question. Next question for that. What is the next question? 3 by 5. If we are evaluating 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus half minus 2 by 5 plus half minus 2 by 3. Now after rearrangement, we are going to arrange it first. We can arrange this, then we will take this one. So where there is a by 4 is there and by 3 is there, means we can differently, you can use it. 3 by 5. So we are ready to arrange it now. So minus 2 by 5 also, plus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Is it right? So we are ready to arrange the by 5s are one side and 3s are one side. Now 3 minus 2 is a 1. So 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2 is a 5. 5 by 3. Yes, let's we do this one. 3 1s are 3 cross. You can do the cross, and so here this 3 1s are 3 plus 5 5s are 25 by 5 3s are 15. Right? Now 28 by 15. So we are ready to evaluate this answer. This answer is like this. Okay, so that's it. Now we'll go for the 8th question. This is the 7th question we discussed. This is the 7th question. Now we discussed the 7th question. This is, and we'll go for the 8th question. Now 8th question is, so subtract so 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So first question, 8th one, first one. 8th question, first one. So we have to subtract from 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Is it right? We will do cross simple. You can do cross amount. You can do easily cross, then down multiplication, right? 4 1s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. How much it will be? So 9 minus 4 is a 5, means there is a minus 5 by 12 is the answer for that. Okay, and we'll go for the second question in the 8th bit. Second one. So here the 2 minus of minus 32 by, what is that? 13. Yes, now nothing will present, means keep it down 1, and cross you can do multiplication, right? So 13 2s are 26. Minus into minus plus, because it is a minus into minus plus. So 32 1s are 32 directly. You can write 32 by 13 1s are 13. Now, so 6 plus 2 is a 8, 3 plus 2 is a 5, 58 by 13 is the answer for that. Okay, now we'll go for the third question in this question's third one. So third one, third question, yes, minus 7 from minus 4 by 7 minus 7, right? You can do that, nothing will present means keep a divide by 1. You do the cross and down multiplication. Minus 4 ones are 4, minus 7 sevens are 49 by 7 ones are 7. Is it right? Okay, now we'll go for the minus 53 by 7 as it is. That is the answer for that. Is it right? 53? Yes, 53 by 7. So that's all. This is a 8th question. Now we'll go for the 9th question. 9th question. Now I'm going to enter into a 9th question. The 9th question. So what numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? So which numbers will get the question first? Minus 5 by 8. In which number you will add to this number, then you will get the minus 3 by 2. The question is like this. If you will add any number, this is x is a unknown. We will find out the unknown value x. So this 5 by 8 to 5 by 8 is going to outside of a equal. Then x is equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. Do the cross. Simple. You can do the cross and down multiplication. X is equals to, now 8 3s are 24. Is it right? 3 8s are 24 plus 5 2s are 10 by 8 2s are 16. Okay. So 24 minus 10 means there is a plus 14 by 16. Okay. 14 by 16. You can do that 2 table. You can do 2 8s are 2 7s are. What is the answer? Minus 7 by 8. Okay. 7 by 8. Just 1 minute. It's not 7 by 8. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's correct one. So we will get it. That is a plus 1 7 by 8. So if you add that is a 7 by 8 to this minus 5 by 8, you will get the minus 3 by 2. Okay. So that is the reason. Next question, 10th question now. We'll go for the 10th question. So 10th question now. In the 10th question, the sum of two rational number is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other, they asked. So what does it mean? Sum of the two rational numbers is a minus 5 by 8, and first one is a minus 5 by 6. Question: minus 5 by 6 plus x is equals to 8. Is equals to 8. Now you can go for this minus 5 by 6 is going to outside f equal. Then x is equals to 8 plus 5 by 6 by 1. Nothing will present means by 1. Do the cross like this. X is equals to 8 6 are 48 plus 5 ones are 5 by 6 ones are 6 is equals to 48 plus 5 means 53 by 6. That is the answer for that. Okay, we'll go for the 11th question. 11th question now. So in the 11th question, what they asked, is subtraction associative in a rational number is 8. If one of the number is minus 1 by 5 by 6, find the other. So you know that there is associative property. So I'll write it here. Associative property. Associative property, what is that? A minus of A minus B minus C is equals to A minus of B minus C. Okay. So now what is the question? A is equals to 1 by 2, comma B is equals to 1 by 3, and C is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. So in that, now I am going to substitute all the values in this equation. So here that is a 1 by 2, B means minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. You will get the simplification easily. Then you can do the cross again down. So 3 minus 2 by 6 minus 1 by 4. See 1 by 2 as it is, minus of, so 4 minus 1 by 3 by 12. Now 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 is equals to, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. Again you can do cross and multiplication. The 4 minus 6 by 24 is equals to 12 minus 2 divided by 24. Now what is that? 4 minus 6 means minus 2. Minus 2 by 24 is equals to 12 minus 2. How much 12 minus 2? 10. So 10 by 24. Is it equal? No, it's not equal. So that's why it is not applicable. A minus B of minus C is not equals to A minus B minus C. So hence it was proved. Okay, 11th one proved like that. So now we'll go for the next one, next question, 12th question now. So what is the question? 12th question now. Now in the 12th question, verify that minus of minus x is equals to x. You can verify it. Whether the x is equals to, you can feel that 12 by, you can take that 12 by 15. Okay. So, and if you take a minus of minus 12 by 15, how it will be? That is a, so you will get that 12 by 15. Is it correct now? And if you verify with one more number, x is equals to, suppose, minus 13 by 17. Okay, so minus of minus 13 by 17, because minus into minus plus na, this is 13 by 17. That's it. So hence proved that 12th one is also correct one. Minus of minus x is equals to plus x. Okay now. So these are the questions in our first exercise, and one more 13th one also there. So very directive answers are there. 13th one, The set of numbers which do not have any additive identity is a natural numbers. Answer is natural numbers. And second one is the 13th question I am going to say. Just I am explaining the 13th question. Solution is a natural numbers. Natural numbers. Answer directly natural numbers. And in that first one this is, and second one, so 0 by 1 is equals to 1 by 0 is not a rational number. Now it is not rational. Okay now. And third one is the answer is third one answer is minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 2 by 1. Minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 2 by 1 because it is a reciprocal of the negative rational number. Okay, so this is the answer for the 13th question also. So that's all in your first exercise. In next second exercise we'll discuss the remaining topics, right?